Get 50% off Google Pixel 6 deals with AT&T's Black Friday sale. A fantastic saving on Google's latest handset. As one of the latest devices to launch, we were not expecting the Google Pixel 6 to feature much this Black Friday. And yet, we've already seen a flurry of great offers, with this promotion from AT&T being one of the best. Right now, you can get 50% off the price of the Google Pixel 6 at AT&T. That leaves you paying just $10.28 a month. While you do have to take out an unlimited data plan to get this price, that's a requirement for most carriers to get the best prices on the Pixel 6. It is important to note that you won't simply pay the discounted price. Instead, AT&T will give you $370 in bill credits, spread across the length of your phone contract, leaving you with that monthly price.